Describing shapes of data. There are certain patterns in data that can be readily seen from data plots. So, for example, here we can see these test scores. And both of those are symmetric. You can actually put a line of symmetry exactly down the middle on both of these bar charts. The one on the right is bimodal. It has two peaks that we can see. Now, often in statistics, it doesn't have to be perfectly symmetric to be described as symmetric, although these ones are. These graphs are what's known as skewed. The one on the left is positively skewed and the one on the right is negatively skewed. Students often get confused about which is which. If you think about a set of axes, the positive numbers are on this side, off to the right, and negative numbers are on the left over here. So when it's positively skewed, it's like the data's been stretched out in the positive direction. So that's the one that's positively skewed. The data has been stretched out to the right. And negative skew is stretched to the left, which is where the negative numbers are on axes. There might be other things that you're asked to spot, but usually this builds up as you go through the year groups. So, for example, if this bar wasn't here, or even this bar wasn't here as well, then you would have a gap in the data. That's fairly easy to spot. I think you'd know what a gap is without me telling you. And you might even be able to spot outliers if you had all your data up here, and then you had a tiny little value over there. You might be able to spot that as being an outlier. And of course, right in the middle there, I've got yet another gap.